Today I am going to embroider this simple flower design. I will do the leaves using lazy daisy stitch. Start from here, take the thread round, pull the thread and put it down. A simple stitch. Bring it down once again from here. Bring it up from here. Go to the edge of the leaf. Put the thread around. Pull the thread and put the needle down. A very simple way of doing the leaf. You may leave a little bit of gap between two stitches. And put the needle down. After completing the leaf using lazy daisy stitch, I have taken green. I will just pick it up from here, take the thread round the needle. I have done it 7 times and just put it down. That's all. Pull the needle very gently. That is all. It is slightly different from French knot. That's all. Again for this side, pick up the needle from here. Put the thread round the needle 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7. And put the needle down. That is all. That's all. And I will do it at a gap. Say again from here. I'll pick it up. Do the same thing. Take the thread round the needle at least 7 times, 7 or 8 times, and put the needle down. That's all. And gently pull the needle down. That's all. It will look like this. After completing this center line over here, for the center line over here, I am going to do stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side. Take small stitches. Stem stitch is a very simple stitch. Take small stitches. Thread should be on your left hand side. That's all. The leaf is completed. For the stem, I am going to use stem stitch. Take small stitches. Thread should be on your left hand side. That's all. Simple stitch. And I am going to do 3 lines of stem stitch. Very simple stitch. 3 lines, one for this, and I will do another line of stem stitch in the middle. I will do the flower using long and short stitch. As you can see, I have done this part. I am going to use 3 different colors. Over here I have used white and pink. Long and short stitch, a very simple stitch. You start from the middle, just this, a very simple stitch. For this portion I am going to use white. A very simple stitch. This portion of the flower I am going to fill it up with pink color thread and the same stitch, the long and short stitch. The same stitch I am going to do the long and short stitch. Just do not leave too much gap between two stitches. That is all. A simple stitch, the long and short stitch. After this, I am going to do these portion. I have taken a darker shade of pink and that same long and short stitch I am going to do for this portion. The same long and short stitch. The same stitch. This way I am going to fill up this portion. I will fill up this portion of the flower using French knot stitch. A very simple stitch. That's all. A very, very simple stitch. That's all. I will do the outline of the petals and these lines using this thread and stem stitch. A very simple stitch. The thread should be on the left hand side and pick up small stitches. That's all. That is all. This is the way I am going to complete the embroidery. The design will look like this after completion. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.